the brilliant voice of John Newman. That was brilliant, John. Thank you very much. It was lovely piano playing too. We don't know the name of your piano player. What's his name? What? Rich. Okay, and Rich on the piano. Spectacular stuff. Now we're going to be handing over to Craig Charles with a legend who is here. The man who more or less single-handedly, well, with his late partner Bernard, sort of, defined disco, really.
Very much, and also defined the summer of 2013, because of course he has just had the hit of the summer with Daft Punk. We are, of course, talking about Nile Rodgers, who has stepped out of the background in the Chic organisation and right to the front of things. It is Chic featuring Nile Rodgers, topping the bill at the West Holt stage, and I'm sure that Craig Charles was absolutely thrilled to meet his idol earlier. I chatted to Nile Rodgers this morning when he was on the way to the site, and he didn't give too much.
Sharpest dressed man on the site, I think.
Amazing, looks amazing, better than ever. Didn't give too much away about the set, but maybe Craig got a little bit more out of him. Let's have a look.
Craig Charles here, backstage at the West Holt stage with the legend that is Mr. Nile Rodgers. How are you now?
I'm great, man. Good to see you again, bro.
Listen, you're about to play one of the biggest festivals in the world. How do you feel? Have you played Glastonbury before?
No, this will be our first time, which is amazing to me. I'm dying to get...
Yeah, I mean, decade after decade, you keep on delivering.
Let's go to the Palmer Violets for more music at Glastonbury 2013.
Fifi. Gee. Poor Yoghi. Poor Yoghi, what happened? She kicked you out.